soundtrack to today's walk. Oh, the coots. There were coots everywhere. Good morning. I'm out on Ouse Fen this morning. Haven't been for a good few months, way before Christmas. There's a lot more water around. I'm not quite sure what this video is going to be. Still really undecided about this channel and what direction to take it in. But I do need to get out. I just feel really disconnected. Haven't been out very much over the winter. Hate the mud. It's been so wet. So yeah, I'm gonna have a really good wander. So if I come back on, I will. If I take some pictures, I'll pop them up. But anyway, yeah, bear with. Just managed to catch some shots of a Chinese water deer peeking out from the reeds. I hope they've come out. He seems to have disappeared. They just, 1 minute they're there and then they're gone. But I might hang around just a little bit longer and see if he comes back. Definitely well needed. The light's terrible. It's mainly coots. Marsh harriers are around. As soon as I get anywhere near, they disappear. I can see one in the distance now. But yeah, definitely well needed. And it's actually really, considering I'm on the fen, it's not that muddy at the moment. I'm going to put the phone down now because the marsh harrier's coming a little bit closer. If you can see him. actually a really nice walk. I enjoyed that. Good to be out. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.